we finally did it, and it's finally here. So I had to open it. Man, y'all know I had to open it before. I had to show y'all. It's not even in the box. Nah, but it came with like a whole bunch of packaging. Yeah, whatever that says. This is the titanium slip-on. So small, and it's really light. Like this box, the whole exhaust put together, I can lift it up with one hand, like a pinch. Real titanium. Alright, real light. Ta-da! The total price of this whole exhaust came out to around, after taxes, 2008, 2009. I forgot. Is it gonna be worth it? We shall see. Oh, I got you an exhaust, baby girl. I got you an exhaust, baby girl. Look, yeah, look. Y'all know how I said she looked mean. Now she gonna lighten up. She probably happy as hell. Oh, but you gonna get abused today, I tell you. Oh my God. I just dropped my camera. She gonna get abused today. I tell y'all that. She's gonna get I'm sorry to say, not a but we breaking you in today. We gonna hear you scream. For sure. Kinda cold outside, so I got on, let me show y'all. I got on pants, sweatpants, 2 thermals, and no underwear. What? No, I'm just playing. I got on 2 thermal shirts. I'm about to put a shirt on, I'm about to put 2 hoodies on. It's not that cold, but I just want to be warm. I don't feel like being cold. I just woke up, my body got to warm up, and I'm getting old. It's the before startup. I'm going to see y'all when I get to the shop. So I just made it here at the bike shop. For some reason, it's getting colder, and I'm trying to warm up again, but got the slip on, got the headers, mid pipe. I've been taking it in the shop. Right now, they are taking the fairings off my bike, letting it cool down, cause I rode an hour away. They got it up on here. Everything that come with it, parts, none of that eBay stuff. Y'all need to stop ordering eBay exhaust for y'all expensive bikes. Stop doing that. We're not gonna do that in 2026. Everything authentic, authentica. You gotta do all that? Well, I'm about to go get some food. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna take, it's a brand new bike, I'm gonna take my time.
Of course.
And on top of that, your exhauster though, I gotta follow these up. I think it's under the seat.
Okay.
And it's got an adapter for that.
That's
so
no problem, bro.
You won't have anything on it.
Okay, I got you. You sure you don't want nothing? Okay. Yo, I just left getting some breakfast. I ain't bring my camera in the restaurant, but I'm gonna show the food. I'm gonna show y'all right here. Y'all go check them out. They satisfy my tummy. But I'm headed back to...
Go past this street, then turn right onto Burnett Road.
Shut up. I'm headed back to the shop, just check progress on the bike. So, cold start. Man, I'm not lining up with you. You too crazy, bro.
I got the slowest bike in Georgia.
You too crazy, bro. Huh? Oh man, that looks crazy. That looks so much better. Oh, it looks so good and it sounds so good. I can't wait for y'all to hear it. Man. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. tickled my ear. Showing. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful work done by the bike shop. Beautiful work. I'm not like on everything I love, y'all. I'm not over exaggerating. My ear is like ringing and it's tickling really bad. Like I'm not even smiling or nothing. No joke. Titanium Akrapovic or Akrapovic. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments which one, how to pronounce it right. I don't know. I say, is it worth $3,000? I say yeah, because of the sound. Just don't want to put nothing cheap on an expensive bike, German bike at that. Remember, Jesus Christ loves you. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch you on the next one.